What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Prophet. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to list a product, how to add it into your inventory. So I'm going to be doing it on this Bluey Christmas inflatable. I've actually got an entire Amazon video for beginners up as well, which I also showed how to list this, but I'm just going to be going a little more in depth and making a separate video on it, but not trying to waste too much of your time. So looking at this, you can either click this little box up in the top corner, and you can scan the UPC. Sometimes it will pull it, sometimes it won't. It also has a picture feature on that. So as you can see, I'm going to take a picture of that and it should pull it up from that, which it does. It's right there. And also in that Amazon for Beginners video, I mentioned sales ranks. This one has a pretty good sales rank. Anyways, though, if that doesn't come up, I can manually type it in. Let's actually go back to the beginning, because also here in the middle bottom, if you click listing, add product, that's another option to get to this same exact screen. Then here I can type in Bluey Christmas inflatable, and it is a 3.5 foot. So that's all I'm typing in, and again, same exact listing comes up. So multiple different ways you can look this stuff up. It's not always going to come up on the picture, it's not always going to come up on the UPC, it's not always going to come up on manual, but it's good to know that you have three options to look that up. Now, once I'm on this screen, I can click on the listing and I can actually see all the different people on it. If I click right there, you can see we got used, new. So this way you can kind of decide what you want to price it at. Looks like the lowest new is $49.99, so that's going to be the price we want. I can click back and I can actually come here to this calculator as well, and I can put in what I paid for it. I can put in other costs I may have, and it will spit out your profit margin. So that's pretty cool to help make sure that you are making a profit on this. Now, once I want to list this, I can just click list here in the bottom right corner. And then here you can choose if you want to do FBA or FBM. Top one, fulfilled by Amazon, that's FBA. Bottom one, merchant fulfilled, that's FBM. That's what I'm going to do because I do merchant fulfilled on most of my stuff. If you've got multiples, you can type that in here. If you've got one, you can type that in here. Type your price, new, and submit. Done. Easy peasy. Listing on Amazon is super easy because the listing has already been made. Hopefully this was helpful. If you're interested in my reselling group, you can check that out. First link in the description. There's some money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.